Hi everyone, it's Chloe, welcome back. So I wanted to show you some of the Happy Mail that has arrived recently. So I've joined some Facebook groups where they're de-stashing some stickers and planner bits and bobs. So I have been purchasing some bits. So this is from a de-stash on Facebook, and then this is from Chloe Louise Co, which are some stickers which I haven't opened yet, but I've had a little look at this. So let's have a look at this. So first of all, we've got like an album with these really cute little bunnies from. I'm not sure where this album is from, so if you do know, please comment below and let me know. So I paid, I think it was £15 for all of this. So it came with all of these stickers in, which I think is an absolute bargain, really cheap. So I've got some Coffee Monster Co stickers, which I actually have never owned before, so I'm really excited about having these. There are quite a few of these in here. I'll flick through some Lilo and Stitch ones. These are really cute. Some more Stitch's girlfriend, Angel, I think she's called, not sure. Some superheroes, Friends, and then we move on to some Once More with Love. So there's loads in here. I'll have a quick flick through so you can see. Obviously some have been used, but that's the whole point of shopping on a de-stash. But there's absolutely tons in here. These are really nice, these foiled ones, beautiful. But yeah, loads that I can't wait to use. These are really cute, look at them. If only I was going to New York, hey? I'm not. I wish I was. These are really cool. I really like these. And what I like most about these de-stash sites is that, say like buying this, I see other shops that I would never have thought to shop with before, or just become aware of different shops that I've not used. Some little tabs. These are really cute. Oh, can't wait to use them. But this is actually packed with stickers. Absolutely tons of stickers. But yeah, I'll quickly flick through the rest so you can see what came with this. These are really cool. I like them. And then that's it. So I've got some spare there. I am going to reorganise all this. I have been watching so many organisation videos for stickers at the moment because I just need to get my stickers organised. Okay, now let's move on to... Oh, okay, let's try not to ruin it as I get it out. Oh no, there's more. Okay, that's just that. And even more down. Oh, okay, there is loads in here. Okay, so first of all, let's move this up the way. First of all, it comes packed like this. This is beautiful. I'm looking at this thinking, I can reuse this. Okay, and then there's this little pack of freebies. Oh, look at these. Okay, I'm excited. So Chloe Louise Design Co is UK based. Oh, look at these. There's all different bits in here. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, very nice. Lots of freebies in here from all different kinds of shops. Oh, this is cool. Nice. Okay. Great way to start off. So yeah, she's UK based, which I absolutely love because there are loads of American brands that I see, and I really want to support UK's, and so yeah. Okay, so we've got this here. Thank you for your order. I hope that you enjoy your purchase and that everything is as you expect. If you have any questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact me, Linda. Oh, this is from a different... This is different. The Grumpy Tortoise. Okay, this is different. Oh, nice. Okay, so lots of little freebie bits in here. Okay, now we're on to Chloe's stuff. So, I can't remember what I ordered, but let's just open up and see. Oh, loads falling out. Okay, so Oh, that is cute. So first of all, we've got a little bow. Let's make some room so you can see. A little bow. Oh, so these are from, this was during her birthday sale. So I think these might be the freebies that you get. So we've got this little one here. I love the Disney stuff. You guys know how much I love Disney. Love the Disney ones. I absolutely love these colours. They're so pretty. Very nice. Oh wow, look at this one. Oh, I love that. That will look really nice in my planner. Oh, I love that. That's cute. Okay, then we got this one. More Disney bits on it. I love that. Okay. Very nice. Okay, so that's the first pack over there. Let's have a look at the second. So I've only recently got into using stickers in my planner. So before I've only ever used a bullet journal, but recently I've been getting more into planning, daily planning, time blocking. Oh, these are nice. I really needed more to do, so I'm glad I got those. Very nice. Okay, we have one more. Two more to go. But yeah, if any of you have any sticker organisation recommendations for me, that would be great, because at the minute I have all of these just sitting in a box. Now, I do like the idea of using these, but I'm thinking about getting some kind of what's those books that you can stick the stickers back down onto, like the reusable ones? I might get one of them, because obviously, like, there's only a few left on there, so I can take those off and put them on one of those books. Anyway, back to these stickers. These boxes are really cute. Look at the pumpkins. Oh, I like them. Really nice. And if you follow Chloe Louise Design Codes on Instagram, whenever she posts, she puts up her team's discount codes, and I think they have freebies that you can get, which is really nice. So make sure you take advantage of those. Okay, so that is everything. So these are all of my stickers here, which I'm really looking forward to getting to use. Please let me know if you can think of ways I can organise all of this, because I need a better organisation plan. And then obviously this guy here, the little sticker album, which is really cute. And we got some more little freebies here. So I think I've done pretty alright. Really happy with all of my stuff. I have loads more stuff coming on the way. So if you like having a look at all of these unboxings, let me know and I will do some more. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all soon.